Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed guide on replacing a water pump. In this video, we will provide you with a comprehensive step-by-step tutorial to help you perform this task safely and efficiently. First, let's start with the tools you'll need for this job. You'll require a socket set, wrenches, a flathead screwdriver, a torque wrench, and a gasket scraper. Having these tools on hand will make your job much easier. Before you begin, ensure that your vehicle is parked on a flat surface and the engine is cool. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent any electrical shorts. Next, locate the water pump. It's typically found near the engine block and connected to the radiator. Now, we need to drain the coolant. Place a drain pan under the radiator, and open the drain valve or remove the lower radiator hose. Be sure to dispose of the old coolant properly. Once the coolant is drained, remove any components that may obstruct access to the water pump. This may include the serpentine belt and other attachments. Make sure to keep track of all screws and bolts as you remove them. Use a labeled container or magnetic tray to organize them. With the components removed, we can begin to detach the water pump. Use your socket set to remove the bolts holding the pump in place. Be cautious, as some bolts may be more stubborn than others. If you're having difficulty, a penetrating oil can help loosen them. Once you've removed the bolts, gently pull the pump away from the engine. You may need to use a gasket scraper to clean the mating surfaces to ensure a good seal for the new pump. Take this opportunity to inspect the area for any signs of wear or damage. Now, let's prepare the new water pump. Before installation, compare it with the old pump to ensure compatibility. Apply a thin layer of gasket maker to the new pump if your model requires it. Next, align the new pump with the mounting holes on the engine block. Start by hand tightening the bolts, then use a torque wrench to secure them according to the manufacturer's specifications. When the pump is secured, reattach any components you previously removed, including the serpentine belt. Make sure everything is tightened properly and there are no loose parts which could lead to future issues. Now, it's time to refill the coolant. Pour the new coolant into the radiator and run the engine for a few minutes to circulate it. Check for any leaks around the new pump and ensure everything is functioning properly. If you don't have the tools or feel unsure about performing this repair, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you, and we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you. No calls, no travel necessary. Once you've ensured everything is working correctly, reconnect the negative battery terminal, and your installation is complete. Congratulations on successfully replacing your water pump. If you need a quote before repair, don't hesitate to reach out to us for assistance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.